Hi, my name is Alicia, and I live in Southern California in the Los Angeles area. And I wanted to take this opportunity to let everyone know that recently my home was flooded, 3 rooms and a kitchen to be specific. Sam and his crew arrived within 30 minutes as they had promised over the phone. They brought dehumidifiers and all the equipment necessary to restore my home to its original condition, and I was so impressed by their response. I wanted to let everyone know that I would highly recommend them.